The gospel tells us just before choosing the apostles, Jesus went up to the hill and prayed the whole night. That is the foundation. Prayer is the foundation. Jesus did not rush into taking decision of choosing the apostle. He waited, he listened to his Father. That is the message that we receive. Prayer must come before action. Many a times we take decisions of our lives, choices that we make without just relying on our thoughts and feelings and emotions, and later realize that we did not stop to pray. And Jesus here reminds us, shows us that everything in life, everything, our decisions, our plans must begin with prayer. When we pray, we give room to God to act in our life. Prayer shapes us, it strengthens us, it keeps us centered to God's will. And later we have heard in the gospel that Jesus chose these 12 apostles. And who were these apostles? They were simple, ordinary people, fishermen. One of them a zealot, whose feast we celebrate. One of them a tax collector. None of them were scholars or powerful leaders. Yet, Jesus saw in them something that others could not see. And what it is? A heart that could be shaped. Just like the sculptor who saw the figure already in that stone. And through them, Jesus began to build a church, which continues today through us. Dear friends, we are the church. Like these apostles, we too are given the same mission to continue this church, to continue to proclaim His word, to bring hope where there is despair, to bring love where there is hurt, to bring peace where there is conflict. In other words, we are called to be witness of Christ in today's world.